Hello students, this is Lakshmi Jai and today we are going to learn about cell division. The topics covered in this video are what is cell division, why is it necessary, and a brief about the types of cell division. Cell division is one of the fundamental activities of any living organism. Here, a parent cell will divide to form two new daughter cells. The types of cell division are mitosis, and meiosis. Before looking into the types, let's first understand why cell division is necessary. The first reason is to replace dead cells. We know that the human average lifespan is around 80 years, but the lifespan of the cells is not that much. For example, if we take blood tissue, it is made up of RBC, WBC, and platelets. The average lifespan of RBC is 120 days. That of a WBC is 2 to 3 weeks. For a platelet, it's about 10 days. So we can see that the lifespan of the cell is very much less than the lifespan of human. So in order to replace the dead cells, new cells have to be produced, which is done with the help of cell division. The second reason is to repair injured tissues. In our lifespan, we will have some injuries. Some might be small, some might be big. When a tissue is injured, new cells have to be produced so that it can repair the injured tissue. Otherwise, the internal organs will expose to the external environment and will be susceptible to infection. The third reason is for producing reproductive cell called gametes. In a human female, ovary is the female reproductive organ, and in a human male, it is testis. They have a special kind of cell called germ cell, which undergo a type of cell division called meiosis to form egg or ovum and sperm. These cells will fuse together to form the zygote, which will grow into a baby. The fourth reason is for growth. Once a zygote is formed, with the help of cell division, new cells are produced till it grows into a baby. That is, the cells divide to form tissues, tissues form organs, organs form organ system, and finally the organism. Even after a baby is born, the growth continues till adulthood. So cell division is necessary for growth, producing next generation, as well as for the maintenance of life. Now let's see the types of cell division. The first type of cell division is a mitosis. Here, a cell divides to form two new cells. It is a primitive kind of cell division which does not involve the formation of chromosome. It is a simple binary fission in which the cell divides to form two new cells. It is seen in unicellular organisms such as amoeba. The next type of cell division is mitosis. In a human, except the germ cells which produce the gametes, all other cells are called as somatic cells. The somatic cells undergoes mitotic cell division. Mitotic cell division involves many phases. In this video, I'll be covering only a brief about this process. When a cell is ready to divide, the chromatin material inside the nucleus condenses to form a chromosome. Once the chromosome appears, the cell goes into a phase called interphase. Here, the duplication of DNA happens, which leads to the duplication of chromosome itself. After the DNA duplication is complete, the chromosomes move to the extremes with the help of centrioles and spindle fiber. After that, the cytoplasm as well as all the cell organelles divide, and finally two new daughter cells are produced. Here you can see the daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as that of the parent. The third type of cell division is meiosis. In this, two types of cell division happens. Meiosis cell division happens in germ cells of reproductive organs. This leads to the formation of gametes. Here, first the cell undergoes mitotic division, as you can see in the first 4 steps. Once 2 new daughter cells are produced, each daughter cell undergoes meiotic division, forming 4 new daughter cells. As you can see, the new daughter cells have only half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. That is, they are haploid. This is a haploid chromosome and this is a diploid chromosome. In the somatic cells, diploid chromosomes are present and in gametes, haploid chromosomes are present. Now, why the gametes have only half the number of chromosomes? To understand this, let's consider the example of humans. A human has 46 chromosomes. Since the gametes have only half the number of chromosomes, we will be receiving 23 chromosomes from father and 23 chromosomes from our mother. So that the zygote formed will have 46 chromosomes, which has to be present in a human body. If the number of chromosomes increase or decrease, it will lead to genetic disorders. So once a meiotic division is complete, 4 new daughter cells are produced, having only half the number of chromosomes as that of the parent. Let's summarize what we learned today. Cell division is a fundamental process in any living organism. It is necessary for the replacement of dead cells, for repairing injured tissues, for producing gametes for reproduction, and for growth. The types of cell division are amitosis, mitosis, and meiosis. Amitosis is primitive and it happens in unicellular organisms like bacteria. 2 new cells are formed and no chromosome appear. It is a single division of cells to form 2 new cells. Mitosis happens in somatic cells of living organism. 2 new cells are formed having the same number of chromosomes as that of the parent. Here, only one type of division happens. Meiosis. It happens in germ cells. 4 new cells are formed having only half the number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. Here 2 types of cell division happens, first mitosis and then meiosis. That's all for now. I hope you found this video useful. Please do like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy learning.